Alexa, turn on porch lights. Well, we're going to do a video about my string lights out here. String lights are a popular thing, but the lights on them blow and stuff like that, so we're going to go out there and fix these. Here's my string light bulb replacements. They're incandescent. They're 2700K, meaning the temperature, color temperature of them, S14 E26. Now, why do I not have LEDs? Well, we bought these at Costco years ago, and we have them upstairs and we have them downstairs. We got two strings of them downstairs. So we got an upstairs screen porch and then the downstairs one. And we had decided at that time to go with the Costco FEIT ones, Feit ones. And at that time, they were not LED. LED ones look totally different, and they may last a long time, maybe even longer. But that's not what we went with. And when we started blowing bulbs, I started to replace them all with LEDs, and they didn't look right to us, so we stuck with incandescents. And these are on Amazon. There's a couple of different brands. I'll link to them down below, so you'll see the ones that I got. But these actually last a little longer than the Costco ones, and they're an exact match. So here we are down here, and you see that some of them are blown. I think there's about 5 of them that are out. One there, there, and I was pressure washing down here recently, so probably that didn't help them. Let's grab one of these and see. Well, the cool thing is, how do I make that work? I've got a little outlet up here, little Kasa outlet up here that I turn them on and off with. Get a little bit of weather in this area, but that keeps it dry, and that other one lasted. I just replaced it because the weather did get to it, I believe. But that other one has lasted probably 5 years or longer. Let me show you the issue with these bulbs. So these bulbs, a lot of times the filament in them, you can get them back on if you tap on them. But when I tap on it, we'll see if it ends up being brighter. If it ends up being brighter, we're going to just straight up unscrew the bulb. You see that? That filament's about gone. You can see it is hanging loose in there. If I don't unscrew it fast, it's going to get very, very hot. All right, so that's shot. That's shot, and we're going to put the new one in. We're going to show you how these are an exact match to these Costco incandescent ones. Now, Costco no longer has the incandescent ones, I don't believe. But I'm sure if you're watching this, you might actually have the incandescent ones and you're looking for a bulb to replace it. You want to do these firmly tight, and then you've got the brand new one on. All right, we're going to go ahead and do that same process to all these. Sometimes you're lucky and you find that one's just a little bit loose, but most of the time that bulb is shot. See if that's the case again here. Look at that, so bright. I'm not going to be able to touch that. I had to put down my camera and get that out of there before it got too hot, because they will get so hot you can't touch them when the filament is about to burn out. You can touch them when they're just fine. So 2 down, a couple more to go. Entertaining watching me change a light bulb. That one, whoop. And see, that one doesn't have a broken filament, I don't think. I'm going to tighten it up and see if it stays on. Requires 2 hands. The filament actually is broken in this one. See if you can see it. What's happening is when you tap it together, the filament touches and it lights back up. And that's not going to last that long. So we're going to change that one too. Now let me show you something cool that I did. These are just regular light bulb sockets, right? And an LED spotlight is the same exact bulb base. Well, if I want to grill late at night in the winter, I just switched out one of them for the spotlight. It really does not create enough draw on that to matter. You can switch it back out if you wish, but it's a great way to have a spotlight right where you want it. So I usually put my grill just outside there, I've done the same thing to the upstairs. I'll show you that in a moment. Let's play, does that light bulb come back on again? Nope. Yeah, it did, and look how bright it is. Too bright. If you get them back on like that, they'll burn bright and hot. Maybe they'll last for 5 minutes, maybe they'll last for a couple nights, but they will blow. So I have put a new bulb in there where I changed it. One more. Here we go. Yep, too bright. Got a new one in there too. That actually finishes up that box. I just got a brand new box too. I go through, between 3 sets of lights, I go through about 20 of those every year and a half. Here's a problem I had. The sparrows were building right up in there. So I had to put something in these gaps, because if I block this one up, which I did by putting some staples there and some cardboard, I had to clean this out. They make such a mess. Anyway, this one fell off when I was pressure washing. I need to get some real bird spikes and put all the way down through there. But I had to have a quick remedy the other day when I was cleaning things up, and cardboard worked out really well. So I'm going to put this back up in a little bit. All right, they're all on. Let's see what it looks like from the outside. See, we've got them up there too. And then I've got a flat top grill, like a Blackstone up there. And I've got a spotlight above it too. I unscrew it a little bit for when I need it, just over the Blackstone. So that's a great way to match up your lights. Look down below for this link, but you can buy any brand that's incandescent with the same base, and that's about 2,700 K for the temperature rating of the bulb, which means the color of the bulb, to match up what Costco had a few years ago. I do want to show you one other thing. I did rope lights here, and I got these just at Walmart a few years ago after Christmas on clearance, a few boxes of them. And I took one of the sockets of my lights and I plugged in the rope lights. So you can get a little plug converter there, and they come on when all these lights come on. And they light up the stairs. So that's got all the lights working upstairs and downstairs. Like, share, and subscribe.